Hey guys, this is Tito Byce, and today I'm going to show y'all how to use Boolean and how to do like advanced searches and things like that, and just show y'all the main points of this website. And so here I'm in the search bar, and I searched up kinesiology, and it brings me down to these articles and other websites and things like that that we can view. And you can also put certain keywords up here in the search bar if you want to find something like more advanced. And for one of the things we're going to do, and for some of the advanced searches we're going to do and or not. So kinesiology and health. And for some of the advanced searches, we're going to do and or not. So we can go kinesiology and health. I'm going to search that up. And it'll show me some books, articles about kinesiology and health sciences, things like that. And for the next search, we're going to go kinesiology or sports. And that'll bring us some more things, some more articles, books, media, things like that have my certain types of searches in here. So that is really helpful. And for my last advanced search, I'm going to go kinesiology, not coaching. And again, that'll bring up my advanced searches for my keyword not coaching with kinesiology. It'll bring me to all these articles, book chapters, books, anything that you would really want to read on. And now going back to the home page, we can come here and we have all these drop downs up here. So you have your search drop down, search tools, home. You have all of these things. I'm not going to read them all out to you. But you can just find your more advanced searches here, hours and locations, like certain libraries and things like that. That would help you for in-person type things. Borrow and request, research support about anything like that. And this is just kind of a home page, and it just kind of gives you the overview of the whole website. Thank you guys for tuning in. See y'all next time.